Chop. I chop the onions before cooking. Peel. He peels the potatoes for dinner. Grate. I grate the cheese for the pasta. Boil. We boil the eggs for 10 minutes. Fry. She fries the chicken in a pan. Bake. I bake a chocolate cake every Friday. Grill. They grill the meat at the barbecue. Mix. I mix flour and sugar in a bowl. Stir. She stirs the soup with a spoon. Whisk. He whisks the eggs until they are fluffy. Marinate. We marinate the meat for 2 hours. Roast. She roasts the chicken with herbs. Pinch. Add a pinch of salt to the soup. Sift. Sift the flour before adding it to the mixture. Knead. Knead the dough for 10 minutes until it's soft and elastic. Roll out. Roll out the dough to make the pizza base. Pour. Pour the milk into the bowl. Mash. Mash the potatoes with butter and milk. Squeeze. Squeeze the lemon juice over the salad. Slice. Would you like a slice of pizza? Steam. Steam vegetables to keep them healthy.